I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to cook chicken wings using the amazing Atomic Chicken Charcoal Chicken Rub, and we're going to be cooking on the Flaming Coals Texas Offset Smoke. When the chicken wings reach an internal temperature of around about 75 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to pull them off and enjoy. So these are the chicken wings that we rubbed with the Atomic Chicken Charcoal Chicken Rub. They've been sitting in the Flaming Coals smoker. We've just taken them out, and the only thing left to do is to top it off with some Flaming Coals hot sauce.